Hi, my name is Gabia and I'm an interior designer at Planner 5D. Today in this project I will provide you with a free interior design blueprint. Today we have a video from our user. He wants to change a bedroom and home office. Now let's take a quick look at his video.
Hey Planner 5D, how's it going? My name's Eli and I just saw your YouTube video about the room renovation, which is freaking awesome because I'm moving to a new apartment soon and I'm looking to renovate my room. Unfortunately, I'm not there at the moment, so I can't show you around, but I did make a blueprint using your website, so I'll just show you that. Alright, so this is the room. This is like the main area. It's currently completely empty. This is like a small shower with a bathroom, and this here is a bit of an unusable space because there's like an AC unit and a water heater and a slide door over here, so you can't really place anything on this wall. That's pretty much it. I'm looking to make it like a music room and a bedroom. I'll give you a more detailed explanation in the questionnaire you added to the video. And yeah, I hope to hear from you soon. Bye bye.
He's really awesome guy. Simply explain it to us where is what and at what we need to take a look or have in mind. He even drew a small plan in Planner 5D to help us with the project. Loved it. His request was to have two zones, bedroom and work zone, a place to hang his guitars on the wall, a spot to play with them, smaller wardrobe, some plants for good vibes.
If you want to take part in this video, you can follow the link in the description. To start the project, we need a plan in Planner 5D. So from the sand blueprint, we can see where the doors are and that this room belongs to a bigger apartment. So just give me a few seconds, I will go print it out and I will come back and so we can take a closer look at it. So this is how the blueprint looks like. Now we can take a closer look at it. So from doors we can see that it's a part of a bigger apartment. Here is the fridge. Here is the balcony. Then the architects planned here to be a bed. And here wardrobe and work zone. But we will do everything absolutely differently.
We need to have in mind that in the balcony there are air conditioners and a water heater. Walls are empty and the room is without any furniture, so we are free to design it in any way we want.
We decided to do two projects to fill all the user's needs. Now we can take a look at the screen to see more details of what has been changed. In the first one, we moved bed next to a wall and the workstation next to a window. As he needed all the equipment, we also placed everything in there. And he wanted to have like a hanging guitars on the wall in a cool way, so we also put everything in there and a place for him to sit and play with the guitars. And to the opposite side of the room we placed a small wardrobe just in here and some wall decor, as you can see. In the second idea, we changed those zones places. So the work zone would be next to a wall and the bedroom next to a window. But all the decor elements, the hanging guitars on the wall and everything else almost didn't change at all. The user chose the second project as he prefers to work at night and really don't care about having bed in front of the balcony. So he asked us to do some changes, and yes, we did that, and now he's really happy with his project and can't wait to renovate his room. Thank you for watching this video, don't forget to subscribe it and like it, and for now, just bye!